Many solar plant owners think their main risk lies in panels or inverters. But sometimes failures begin with something as small as the wrong cable lug. Let's understand how. In today's video, we will talk about bimetallic lugs. You will understand why cable termination fails and how bimetallic lugs help cut maintenance costs in your solar plant. But why should you listen to us? At Axis, we have been manufacturing a wide range of lugs and connectors, including bimetallic lugs, for the past 30 years. You will find our lugs installed in solar plants, utility scale applications, substations, control panels, switchgears, and many more. Let's start with the basics. A cable lug is a component that connects a cable to equipment or a bus bar. Its role is to make the joint secure, mechanically strong, and electrically conductive. Lugs are usually available in three types: copper, aluminium, and bimetallic, which is a combination of both metals. Among the three types, aluminium lugs are commonly used because they are more economical. In projects that involve large volumes of cable, aluminium lugs help save significant cost. But in the case of solar panels, you can't rely on aluminium lugs. Inside the combiner box of solar panels, the bus bars are usually made of copper, and the cables are of aluminium. So, if you use aluminium lugs, they will connect with copper bus bars. On the surface, this seems fine, but this is where the real problem starts. When two different metals come into contact, they can corrode. This process is called galvanic action. It happens when dissimilar metals touch each other in the presence of moisture or another electrolyte. In the case of copper and aluminium acts as a sacrificial anode and becomes susceptible to corrosion. What began as a simple cost saving leads to downtime and higher maintenance expenses. This is why you need bimetallic lugs. They solve this issue by preventing contact. They are made by friction welding a copper palm to an aluminium barrel. In this way, aluminium conductors connect with the aluminium barrel, while the copper bus bar connects with the copper palm. To stop oxidation, the inside of the lug barrel is coated with an oxide-inhibiting compound. This improves the contact quality and ensures a smooth electrical connection. But why do these bimetallic lugs themselves don't develop dissimilar metal corrosion? You might be thinking, here also two distinct electrochemical properties are coming in contact, so how is it safe? The answer is friction welding. In this process, two metallic surfaces are joined by generating heat through friction. The parts being joined are held under high compressive load. This leads to the diffusion of atoms across the interface, resulting in a metallurgical bond between the materials. This bond eliminates dissimilar metal corrosion. I hope you now have an understanding of bimetallic lugs and their role in solar panels. At Axis, our team of over 50 engineers is ready to support your project needs for lugs and connectors, earthing and lightning protection, and many more. Before moving to another video and making a wrong decision on lug selection, watch this video to learn the different types of lugs and their applications in detail.